Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to integrate Mailchimp with WordPress. This is the WordPress website I will integrate with Mailchimp for this video. And first, I will log in to my WordPress dashboard. And to integrate this WordPress website with my Mailchimp account, I will use a WordPress plugin called MC for WP, which stands for Mailchimp for WordPress. To do that, just click on go to plugins and click on this add new plugin. Let's search for our plugin or MC for WP. This is the plugin that we will use and it's provided by Ivory Code. Click on install now. Then activate this plugin. Now go to MC for WP from the left sidebar and click on Mailchimp. As you can see, the WordPress is not connected to my Mailchimp. Now what I need to do is to get my Mailchimp API key and insert it here in order to link between WordPress and my Mailchimp account. This is a quick link to go straight to the API key page on Mailchimp. Just click on it and the official Mailchimp website will open up in a new tab. If for whatever reason you don't land on this page, just log in to your Mailchimp account, go to your profile icon from this corner, click on account and billing, then go to extras and click on API keys. Scroll down a little bit, hit this create a key button. Give your API key a name, and I recommend you to name it after your website, just like that. Click on this generate key button and just copy your API key like that. Click on done and go back to your WordPress website. Paste your API key here and hit save changes button. And now our website is connected to our Mailchimp account. As you can see, my WordPress website automatically showed me my audience name, my audience ID on Mailchimp, and also the subscribers numbers. To show you cool things that you can do with this WordPress plugin, just go to the forum page. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Mailchimp online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to set up your Mailchimp account, how to manage your audience inside Mailchimp, also how to create a campaign and manage it, how to create landing pages and forms, integration and API, email customization and personalization, export and download, and also troubleshooting and maintenance. To get all of this today for free, plus these online courses in my university, all you need to do is to go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. And now you can build a subscribe form like this one. First, select the fields that you want to collect, for example, the email address and the first name. After that, you will see them just like that. To embed this or to add this form to one of your pages, just copy this piece of code like that. And let's create a new page. Let's call our page subscribe. Now directly paste your code here and hit this publish button. Let's preview our page live. And as you can see, the form was embedded or added easily to this page. To edit the design of this form, just go back to the appearance tab and you can select between multiple colors. Let's go with this light theme. Let's refresh this page and now the appearance changed. Now let's go to the settings tab. You can go with double opt-in or no. I recommend you to only collect double opt-in emails to make sure that your subscribers have access to their email accounts to their email accounts. You can also use tags for subscribers coming from this form. You can also hide form after a successful sign up. This is good. And you can, when someone subscribe using this form, he will be sent to this page. As you can see, thank you for your thank you for your subscription. Check out these resources. Another feature that I want to show you on this cool WordPress plugin, it's this integration. As you can see, now I can enable or disable collecting subscribers from your WordPress comment form. And also, I can collect subscribers from my WordPress registration form. This can be cool for membership websites or communities. And this is how to integrate Mailchimp with WordPress. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.